everyone, welcome back. It's day 29 of your 30-day Pilates journey. I'm Terriell, and today we're going to be connecting to our bodies and connecting each exercise with specific transitions. And we'll do this carefully so that each transition between one exercise to the next becomes part of the workout and kind of a mini exercise in itself. So we're going to start with 100 today, but setting up a little bit differently. And if you have a tender low back, I want you to begin by bringing your knees into your chest first. If you feel strong in the abdominals and the back, we can start this way with the legs down on the mat, lying flat with the arms long by your sides. Now, from here, we're gonna squeeze the legs really tight together, squeezing the inner thighs, pulling the low abdominals in, and then curl up as you lift the legs 2 inches off the floor, hovering your arms 1 inch, and then begin to pump up and down, breathing in and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep pumping. And if you feel like you need to lift your legs higher at any moment, you totally can. Inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take 3 more breaths here. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more breaths. And exhale. 3, 4, 5. Now hold those arms steady. From here, we'll unfold from the center, reaching the arms up, 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 and then lowering everything down with control. From here, you're ready for your roll-ups, rolling through the spine, up off the mat, sending the arms forward to stretch, and roll it down with control. And we'll just do 3 of these here, all the way to the mat. The arms reach back, big inhale, roll up through the spine, send the arms forward and stretch, and roll it all the way down with control. 1 more roll up here. Arms reach up, head lifts, roll up through the spine to reach for your toes, and then roll it all the way down. Now, as you roll down, we'll start to pick the legs up, press the palms by your sides, and then lift the legs up and over for rollovers. Now we'll flex the feet and open them parallel. Start to roll down with control through the center of your back. Working that scoop, belly to spine, heels together, toes apart, legs lift, up and over. Drop the toes down to open, and then melt it down, down, and down. 1 more time. Legs zip together to lift, up and over, to open. Now we'll reach down for our transition. 2 legs to the ceiling. Let's take the left leg out and down. This is normally where we'll do single leg circles, but from here we'll just scissor switch the legs in the air, scissor switch the legs using those abdominals, scissor switch, and switch, and switch. Now send that left leg down as you lift your arms to the ceiling. 1 roll up to transition into our next exercise, which is spine stretch forward. So as we fold over, let's roll up through the spine, sending the arms forward at shoulder height, separate the legs wide, flexing toes back. Now we'll take the head, dropping it down forward, rounding forward. 3, 2, 1, and then roll up through the spine, lower back, middle back, pulling those shoulders onto the back to lift tall through the crown of the head. And again, chin to the chest, rounding over, pulling your waist in, reach it forward. And then stack that spine up, bone by bone, inch by inch to the top. 1 more time before we transition. Again, dropping that head down, rounding and reaching. Really work the stretch. It'll come in handy for the next thing. And then roll it up and up and up to the top. Now, you can do this with bent legs. I'm going to try for straight, but from here, we'll stay tall for a moment, tipping back, soften the knees, and then use your abdominals to send the legs up to your hands, grabbing those ankles. Now we're ready for open leg rocker. So we'll send it back 3 times, all the way back, and then find your balance at the top, lifting spine tall. 2 more rolling back. All the way up, lift. One more time, rock it back. And then all the way up, lifting that chest, finding balance. Now for our transition, the legs glue together in the center. Reach up. Now you're in a teaser. We're going to teaser one all the way down so the legs stay frozen in space as you roll through your back. Palms flat by your sides. For a corkscrew, now we'll lie flat as we take the legs to the right, circling down and around and back up. And then to the left, down and around and back up. To the right one more time, down and around and back up and left, scooping deeply into the powerhouse. One more to the right, down and around and back up, and then to the left, down and around and center. Now keep the legs extended, reach them out from your center to 45 degrees, float the arms up, and then teaser up to reach up for the toes. Now staying up here in the chest, we'll just separate the legs, set them down with control, arms open to a T, and now we're ready for saw. So now we'll twist to the right, dive over, reach for that opposite foot. Roll it all the way up, deepening in your twist, and then untwist. Now let's twist left, dive it over, scooping deeply in, roll it all the way up, untwist. Now twisting right one more time, dive it over, all the way up, and untwist, and then twist it left, dive it over, and bring it all the way up and untwist. Now from here, we're going to do some side kicks, but we'll do them a fun way. So I'm gonna have you line up with the front edge, the very front edge of your mat. And we're just gonna place the top arm behind the nape of your neck with that elbow reaching to the sky. Now squeeze your legs together. From here, I want you to squeeze down in your bottom armpit and then lift your legs up as high as they can go, up, up, up. And you'll feel your hip working, your side muscles working, like you're doing a giant side sit up, and then relax the legs. 2 more times like that. Lift the legs up, 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 and set them down, trying to stay in a straight line. It's really tough. 1 more time, lifting up, 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 and set them down. Now, as you float the legs an inch, we'll transition to the other side by flipping to the back and then right over to balance. And if you flip off your mat, that's okay, because we're gonna come right back to the first side. Balance. Use your abdominals to flip over, find that elbow and hip and balance, and then over, back to center, back to where we started. Now from here, let's just press up, flip the legs to the other side, and then we'll do our little side sit-ups or side lift-ups here. So now squeeze your bottom armpit down, legs squeeze tight together, powerhouse in, and then just lift those legs up, 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 and send them down. 2 more times, legs lift up, 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 and they reach out and down. 1 more time. Lift the legs up, 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 and send them down. Now with a little leg lift, we'll flip over to the back and find balance, and to the other side and find balance. Ooh, that was a little too quick for me. Through center and find balance, and then back to where we started. Through center, 2, find balance. You could tell which side isn't as great for me here. All right, now go ahead and push yourself up, and you are all set for day 29. I will see you tomorrow for our final day of this 30-day journey, day 30, where we will celebrate making it to the end. I'll see you on the mat tomorrow. Hey friends, are you loving this daily Pilates practice and wondering what's next? If you're loving the results that you're getting, but worried that once this journey is over, you may not be motivated to make it back to your mat as often, don't worry, I have just the solution for you. On Saturday, February 6th at 1 p.m. Eastern, I'll be teaching my new workshop, How to Have a Pilates Home Practice That Works. In this workshop, we'll talk about how to plan your workouts around your already busy life, how to know what to do for your workouts, and I'll also teach you easy tools of self-assessment and body organization to make sure you are moving your body correctly and help eliminate the question, am I even doing this right? And for those of you out there who are like me and love spending time laying on the couch, I'll also be teaching habit-forming techniques that are backed by science to help you turn your workouts from a chore on your to-do list that you're never motivated to complete into a feel-good habit that becomes a part of your daily life. This workshop is absolutely free, and I promise you don't want to miss this. It will be chock full of useful information to help make your personal workouts a daily habit. Everyone who signs up for the workshop will also receive a replay, so if you can't make it live, don't worry, I've got you covered. To sign up for the workshop, all you have to do is click the link below in the description. Hope to see you there.